Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm out in the workshop and it's a beautiful day outside. Let's take a little walk outside here. And oh yeah, nice and bright. Mowed the yard, picked up some sticks and stuff, so I'm ready. I'm ready to open up my brand new Husqvarna weed whacker. Okay, this is the one I won with $30 worth of tickets, and I'm kind of excited to open this. I figured today would be a good day. I mowed the yard yesterday. I need the weed whack, and I thought about the one over there, about grabbing that and getting everything started on it, but yeah, we're gonna unbox this today. Alright, so let me go ahead and take this down on the floor and take a good look. Let's see what's inside the package here. Alright, we got a box here. Okay. Okay, struggling a little bit. Okay. Taking the stuff out of the box, and here's the head of it. Boy, it looks pretty strong. It's heavy. It also comes with the shroud, or whatever you want to call this, to protect you. I have quick start guide, an Allen wrench, an extra screw. Well, a screw probably goes right there. Get this out of the way, the handle. There we go. Alright, that's the end of that cardboard. Alright, now the heavy part's way down in there. Wonder if I can lift up. Yep. Holy man. That baby's in there. Got everything out of the box, and that's what she looks like. Just a couple pieces here. Looks pretty simple. There's the model 128Ld trimmer. Pretty nifty. It was attached to this handle right here. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, we got that out of there. Alright, pick up the old wing nut. Okay, you're going to be hearing kids going across the street. So I guess first things first here is see what the instructions have to say. Put all this back together. Comes with an Allen wrench, a nice hefty one. Wonder what size that is, if it's millimeter or what in the world, it doesn't really say. So, well, speaking about Allen wrenches, I wanted to show you guys over here. I went to Harbor Freight and picked this up for $7 out the door. Metric, lifetime warranty on them. Figured why not? For $7 you can't beat it. Okay. And it comes with this 2-stroke oil. I don't know if I should use this or use some other stuff. Thought about using Amsoil from the get-go on this. Alright, quick start guide. There it is. Looks simple enough. They want you to mount the bracket. So we're going to go ahead and do all that. We'll put that like this. Let's see here. Alright, that looks about right. So the bolt that came with this right here yeah, this is my second new weed whacker I've owned my whole entire life. Usually you get used and you get them for like 50-60 bucks, then you use them until they don't run no more, and then you throw them out or wrap it around the tree and you go get another one. Okay, there's that. Looks pretty straight. Okay, so now the handle, wherever I want to put the handle, I guess. Put it anywhere you want. So we'll put it up here. So it goes like this. Pretty easy. Right about there. I can adjust it later if it's not right. I think that's about right there. Okay, here's another booklet, the warranty and all that good stuff. Huh, look at all that stuff. Here's all the strings in here. God, I hope that's not a pain in the butt to do. But, okay. I guess we'll go ahead and get this all going. Get the boring stuff out of the way first, I guess. And we'll go from there. Alright, so now we have it all put back together. Got the string, everything out. Everything's put together. And when I was reading the instructions, the quick start guide, you know, it says for 50-to-1 mix ratio. You know, so I couldn't help myself. I got the AMSOIL Dominator in here. I know you guys think it's a waste, but I don't have a lot of yard to do. And it only takes me maybe 10 minutes a day, or every time I mow, to weed whack. So it's not a waste. I'm not going to use this garbage, what they give you. It's probably not garbage, but compared to AMSOIL Dominator, yeah, we're going to do it. Alright. So right now it says set the unit on the flat surface, which it is. Let me put the fuel in it. Okay, got the fuel. Going to go ahead and pour it down in there. Okay, that's about good. Okay. I can't help it, guys. After using that AMSOIL, there is nothing else in my book. Alright. So it says slowly press the primer bulb 10 times. Oh, where's the primer bulb? There it is. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 10. There's some fuel in it. Okay. We're going to give it one more just in case, for good measure. Alright. So now it says set choke lever to full position. Cute little lever here. Boop. Alright. Pull starter rope until engine attempts to start. No more than 6 pulls. Do not squeeze throttle trigger. Alright. Oh, let's bring this over here. I'm just going to leave it here. See what happens. Okay, that's the second pull. And then it says set choke lever half. Right there's half. And pull rope until engine starts. Allow engine to warm up approximately 10 seconds. Set choke lever to run position. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and cut some grass here. Okay, well maybe. Oops. Oh, that's nice. She works. We'll go ahead and shut her off. That's awesome. Alrighty, guys. Now let's make sure this thing's still recording here. Yeah, I lost connection. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll be talking to you.